Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a replay effect to your videos or your photos in CapCut PC. You can see the replace effect in the back and distortion here. Replace effect. For example, you're just going to select the video photo or just logo image like this, and go to fake and select replace fake, and see the final result. Can I just support the um, option for it? That's it. It's simple tutorial, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click thanks button for question.